Question 5, IAL M1 Edexcel June 16. It's a vectors question. We're told that the resultant of two forces, which are given, well, one of them is given, the other one has got a P and a Q in it. We're asked to prove this. We're told it's parallel to I plus kj. Well, we know the resultant is equal to F1 plus F2. So F1 plus F2, we're told, is parallel to I plus 2j. So that's not equal to I plus 2j necessarily, probably not in fact. It's equal to some constant I plus 2j. Because any vector that's parallel to I plus 2j will be a multiple times a scalar of that. So we're going to use this to work out our relationship given in part A. So 2i minus 3j plus F2, which is pi plus qj, equals to ki plus 2kj. Now you can equate coefficients in a moment. Let's just bring the i's and the j's together on the left hand side. 2 plus pi plus minus 3 plus qj, which is equal to ki plus 2kj. And as I say, you can compare coefficients here if you like and get simultaneous equation and substitute for k and whatnot. I'm just going to cut a few corners here, and basically what we're going to use is the fact that this component divided by this component has got to be equal to 2. 2k over k is equal to 2. So I have minus 3 plus q over 2 plus p is equal to 2k over k, but as I say, if I was writing this in the exam, I'd just write that equals to 2. So I can multiply that out and get minus 3 plus q is equal to 2 times 2 plus p. So that's minus 3 plus q is equal to 4 plus 2p. And then that gives us 2p minus q plus 7 equals to 0 as required. Okay. Fine if you know what you're doing. Okay, part B. We're saying given that q equals to 11, well, we can easily work out p from that. We have 2p minus q plus 7 equals to 0. Just writing the thing out as again. So then we got 2p minus 11 plus 7 equals 0. That gives me 2p equals to 4. So p equals 2. So p equals to 2 there. That's fine. So p equals 2, but the resultant therefore is going to be equal to let's call it r for resultant, is going to be equal to 2 plus p, because f1 plus s2 is 2 plus p. So that equals to, so that's 2 plus p, which is 4i, plus q is equal to 11, so 11 minus 3 is 8j. So that's the resultant force. If we use F equals ma to work out the acceleration, we have 4i plus 8j equals to the mass, which we're given as 2 kilograms, times by a. So that gives me the acceleration is equal to 2i plus 4j. Now don't fall into a trap that many of us do. Just think, all right, I've done it. This question does ask for a magnitude. So we want to find, we need to use Pythagoras to work out the magnitude of A, which is 2 squared plus 4 squared. Square root of 20, which is 4.47 meters per second squared. Okay. That's question 5.